Welcome back to my channel, Krishna Pali channel. Today I want to make tips how to cook oyster sauce chicken. This is now I french fry the ginger. The first french fry the ginger until it be brown color, and then the smell go outside. After that, you can put the chicken all inside. French fry all the chicken first. Just put down all the chicken. No touch anything. Just put down until it will be brown color in the chicken. After that, you can change. Okay, now I turn back the chicken. Change the color already. Look, become white color, little bit brown. Turn back all the chicken. After that, don't move again. Just put down. Don't move anything. Okay, now I can put the soy sauce. Soy sauce, just only soy sauce, not put any, not only sauce. Look, it's very nice. Just change the color. Okay, you can put soy sauce to chicken. Wow, smell is good. Not put anything, just ginger with soy sauce. Then put some water, not too much, just little bit water. And then we cover it. On smaller fire. On smaller the fire. It's very easy how to cook. Guys, now I open the chicken. You look, the color is not similar. The color, you can look until no more the soy sauce, until dry. After dry the soy sauce, it's okay, can close the fire. This is use the small fire slowly, cannot so fast because later the taste no go inside the chicken. You just turn back chicken until the soy sauce all go inside. Slowly to cook. Remember, slowly to cook, no so fast. Slowly to cook but no burn. Wow, this is beautiful. Easy to cook and then nice. Wow, you look. Now it's no the soy sauce is little bit dry, like you can take out and we can take out lah. Wow, this one is really very nice. You look the color and the ginger is can eat because I really cook long time, and then this now is very nice. You can try it too. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.